Hello everyone, I'm David and welcome back to another first aid skills video. In this week's video, I'm going to be doing a similar kind of scenario thing that I did for CPR, except this time it's going to involve when an AED comes into play. So I won't do the whole initial walk up to the scene, look for safety, call for 911 and AED because you guys already saw that earlier. So I'll just start with doing some rounds of compressions and then AED is going to show up on site. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, here's the AEDs here.
Apply pads to patient's bare chest. Plug in pads connector next to flashing light.
Okay, plug.
Apply pads. Plug in connector.
Apply pads. Okay, so this one goes right side. This one goes.
Apply pads. Plug in connector.
Plug in connector.
Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient.
I'm clear, you're clear, we're all clear.
Shock advised. Charging.
Okay, charging.
Stay clear of patient. Deliver shock now.
Okay, I'm clear, you're clear, no one's touching. Delivering shock.
Shock delivered. Pause. Begin CPR. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Stop CPR.
Stopping CPR.
Analyzing heart rhythm. Stay clear of patient.
Staying clear.
Analyzing heart rhythm. No shock advised. Paused. If needed.
Okay, so that's what it looks like to have been doing compressions. AED comes in, hook it up, and then have it do its whole thing with AEDs. Just listen to them, follow instructions. It may have looked like I wasn't following some of the instructions. I'll get into that when I do the more descriptive video next week. But yeah, so that was hooking up an AED and using it. So as I said, next week will be the description of what I went through, similar to what we did in previous videos. So I'll see you all in next week's video. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.